This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, friends. Welcome to goonlinetrainings.com. So, what is the purpose of the cube? In a single word, okay? If somebody asks in the interview, what is the purpose of the cube? What you need to say? Purpose of the cube is to make the reporting faster. Purpose of cube is to make the reporting faster. Why? If you have data in data warehouse is going to be having all historical data, every day data, every month data is there. But what I need, I don't need the raw data as it is. I wanted to see grand totals. What is the sales happened in last quarter? What is the sales happened in last month? What is the sales happened in last year? I need a grand total. So you have the data. If you wanted to perform a grand totaling is an operation, summing operation. But you have so much of a data in the data warehouse. If you give raw data to the report is trying to do summing operation, so report will become very slow. Okay, what we need to do? So you have the data in the data warehouse. We put one more guy in between. That guy is called SSAS or a cube, is going to be aggregating the data. And when the report comes tomorrow, what happens? We're going to be simply going to the cube and get the data. Clear? The report is not going to aggregate the data. Otherwise, you need to aggregate the data. Clear? I told you, you have raw items in the kitchen, and 1 o'clock you came for lunch. You have raw vegetables and raw items. You would like to make a pizza and eat it. So what you should know how to make pizza, and you need to invest 1 hour time to make the pizza, right? But if 1 o'clock you come for lunch and your wife or mother has prepared the lunch, what is the advantage? They're also investing time. It is not that you're all investing, but instead of you doing, somebody else is doing. That is what. Okay. You went to the office at morning 10 o'clock. Your mother is, preparing the food by 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock. The food is ready in dining table. So what is the advantage when you come? You're a report. When the report comes and looks for the data, data is already cooked data, aggregated data. Simply goes to the cube and gets aggregated data, displays the data that this is what is the sales. That's it. Otherwise, what report has to do? Report has to go to the kitchen. Kitchen is data warehouse. Get the raw data, raw vegetables, cut it, clean it, boil it, make it, eat it, and go. You will take 3 hours time. So 1 o'clock you will come for lunch. 3 o'clock you go to office. Your manager will ask, why are you late? Then you will say, sir, I am only cooking, I am only eating, I am only cleaning, I am coming. So everything who's doing, report is doing. Report is visualizing, report is going to the data warehousing and processing the data, and everything, and cleaning, everything report is doing. You don't do some work, you hand over some work to your mother. So mother is cooking and you're eating, right? You're a consumer, you consume the food, but prepared by somebody else, right? So SSAS is going to be going to the raw data, preparing or cooking the data and keeping it ready in the dining table. Dining table means a cubia. Clear? So when you come, if the food is ready, the cooked data is ready, aggregated data is ready. In the report, the numbers are shown. That's it. So reports are very faster. Clear? So data warehouse is going to be having a detailed data. Cube is going to be having a grand totals, aggregated data. That is what you should know. Clear? Why do we need to aggregate and keep it data ready? Because tomorrow customer suddenly comes up and asks you, tell me, branch wise, product wise sales. That time you cannot go to kitchen, get the data, aggregate the data, because you will not have a simple, amount of data. You will have a large amount of billions amount of data. Mother cannot say 1 o'clock you come home. Mother cannot say, I will prepare, when you come. So that cannot happen, right? Mother has to start before itself. Clear? Cube has to be ready. Monday morning, 9 o'clock, you need a report. So Sunday has to get the data. ETL has to happen. Sunday, we're supposed to get the data and do the complete queue processing by Sunday midnight, so that Monday morning the report is ready very fast. You cannot say 9 o'clock the management wanted to see the report and 9 o'clock itself you're processing the cube. That cannot happen. If you're coming at 1 o'clock, mother has to start preparation at 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock. If she needs two hours of preparation, she has to start by 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. That we need to understand. Clear? So instead of you doing everything, you are giving some work to mother so that you will take care of your work. And by the time you come, you are, ready with the food. So data warehouse is your kitchen, your mother is SSAS, and you are the reporting. So reporting is going to present the data. But when the end user is clicking on the report is not opening at all. It is going to the database and opening the data, summing up all the data, and report is getting loaded. End user is will get irritated. End user will say, this kind of a business intelligence reports I don't need. You get lost from my company. Not even single report is opening quickly. Every time it's a processing. Why this kind of issues? Because the data is being processed when the end user clicks on the report. You would like to see, year-wise sales, last 5 years. So this kind of report you wanted to see, but the data is too much in the data warehouse. If you start processing the data in the report level, you will go mad, right? So all the data is processed and kept ready in where? On the dining table. Food is ready. 10,000 items mother is prepared. You simply go there, whatever be the item you need. You need a grand total, have it. You need pizza, you can have it. You need some other item, you can have it. Food is ready on the dining table. 1,000 varieties are there. All grand totals are available. Multi-dimensional cube. So you take it whatever you need. You need to take pizza, take it. Other people will take other items. So the cube is going to be having not only one grand total, multiple items are going to be prepared by mother and kept ready. Clear? You take it whatever you need. One manager needs, year-wise, sales. One manager wanted to see brand-wise, quarter-wise. Brand-wise means Sonia mobile phones, Apple iPhones. You would like to see country-wise, brand-wise, what is the sales happened. So one customer needs like that. So one more end user wanted to see some kind of a charting report, and they would like to see state wise, city wise, something like that. Clear? But the food is ready. You take whatever you like it. The food is ready on the dining table. Not only one totals, different types of grand totals are done with the help of a cube is your mother. Cube is a chef. Cube is going to be taking the data from where? Data warehousing. So why cube means, in single answer, what is the answer? Make reporting faster. Make reporting faster. If you are not able to tell this, then there is no point. We can go ahead and complete the remaining steps. Clear? Y cube means cube is going to be aggregating the data, keep the grand totals ready before the reporting starts. If the reporting starts at from Monday, your cube has to be ready by Sunday itself or Sunday night. Clear? So that's what you need to understand. If the cube has to process the Sunday, you have to bring the data using ETL by one day before. Clear? If you have a lunch tomorrow, one day before, you need to go to the shop and get vegetables. And if you need 2 hours of time, then definitely you need to plan step by step like that, right? Get the ETL done by Saturday or Sunday morning. Sunday night, you process the cube. Monday morning, you will have the complete data till last week, because every week you may be loading the data. Last week, new data, you will get it again. You reprocess the cubes and everything. You have new reports and everything. Clear? Why cubing? Make the reporting faster. The reporting may be Power BI report, reporting may be SSRS report may be Tableau report, reporting may be Excel reporting. Am I clear? So that is what is very important interview question. Now, yesterday few people have created a cube. They were getting some login failure errors. I will ask them to share the screen. So Kevit, can you show me your screen? Is getting some issues. Tomorrow we don't have class. Saturday, Sunday we don't have class. Monday with the same meeting ID, again we'll reconnect. Okay. So now he's processing his cube. So tell me, Tanya. So he's getting
Sir,
issue. Tell me.
yeah. Sir, actually, I'm not receiving videos.
You just give me your mail ID, or did you check your spam?
Okay. Okay.
Can you check the
Thank
spam? Tania mail ID. What is your mail ID, please?
you. Yeah.
Can you just ping me your mail ID, please?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, guys. So can you show me the screen you're showing?
Yes, sir. Control is with you.
Okay, can you process the cube now? Now you will get all the videos, okay? Tanya, don't worry. Now he is processing the cube. Let us wait. So what is happening now? Now he's getting some issue. Have you seen this? So user NT service blah blah blah. So what you do to resolve it? You copy the error. Click on that. Click on that. Yeah. Click on the error. Copy the error. Copy. Right click. Copy. Right click. Copy. Yeah. Very good. Copy. Yeah. Copy that and go to Notepad. Paste it there. How to resolve it? I'm telling you. Okay. You copy the error. Now you close that window that is been copied, right? The error window, you can close it, or you can just leave it as it is. It's fine. Okay. Now what you do, you go to SQL Server. So where is the error you got copied? Yeah, this is the copied, right? Now this is your SQL Server. So what you do, you copy that NT service. Go to Notepad. Go to Notepad. Now you copy NT service. Yeah, without quotes. Without quotes, you copy that. Yeah, copy. You copy Control C. You go to SQL Server, and below databases you have a security, right? So you expand and click on logins. Yeah, right click on that, new login, and click on search. Click on search button. Okay, search. Yeah, very good. And paste that, copy and paste it, and check names. This is missing actually. Check names. Okay. Now click on OK. Now click on server roles. Left panel, server roles. Yeah. And last one, you check it. Sysadmin, you check that. Okay. Now click on OK. That's it. So we are adding the user in SQL Server logins. Okay, now you go to SSAS and reprocess the queue. Yeah, you process now. Yeah, right click on this, rebuild, rebuild, rebuild. Yeah. So after rebuilding, you process that once again. So Kirian and others, please process if you get this kind of an issue. Yeah, reprocess that. Yes. Say yes and yes. Okay, so you click on run. So now process successfully. Am I clear, guys? So this is how you need to process. Now click on close, close. Okay. Now what you do? You go to, yeah, close. Go to browser tab. Go to browser tab. You can verify. Go to browser tab. Where is browser? Hmm? Where is browser? Browse tab. Browser. You go up. You go. Browser is available. Okay. So where is the browser hero? Kevin. So you should be able to browse. Anybody having any other issues? So now I want to check. So Angela,
That's good.
yeah,
Just
yes,
yeah,
yes.
when I do mine, I don't get the
Hmm.
NT
Let
the
me can
NT.
make show me that.
Okay.
Share me your screen.
Uh, So this example,
Right click on that. Yeah.
try to just rebuild and see.
Everybody has to create the cube. So yeah, click on that. Yeah. Process.
So this is my error.
There
So
were during build and deployment. Click yes. Did you install SSAS in your this one?
yes,
A connection connect made. Ensure server is running. Can you go to services? Service is not there. Go to services.
services. Uh,
Go to start menu services. Okay. So
okay,
I'll show you something. You need to debug like this. So can you see my screen? You go to start and you say services,
okay,
right?
yeah,
So you need to check whether you have installed the software or not. So to check that, you have to come here and come down. When you come down, you will be able to find out Microsoft SQL Server. Have you seen analysis services, which is running, started? So you need to
yeah.
have this. Hmm? So you need to start it. Right click on this, click on the start button. If it is not there, then you will not be able to get it. Did you install the check? You have this services or not?
Let me check.
Yeah. Many people will get those kind of issues because they wouldn't have installed it. And even though they have installed it, it is not under running condition. If it is not under running condition, nothing will happen. Clear?
SQL Server
So
analysis.
go to start services. Go to what? Start services.
Okay, SQL Server analysis.
Yes. SQL Server Analysis Services. Analysis. Double click on this. It has to be started. Do you have like this?
Yeah, I can see it. There's I can see two here. SQL Server.
Like this one. You have it or not?
Yeah, I have both. Yeah,
But is it under running condition?
yeah, it's running. I can share my screen as well.
So if it is running, what you do then? You go to SQL Server. Okay.
Yeah.
And what is the server name? You can get it. So server name, select at the rate server name. Right? You step. So what is your server name? You copy the server name, copy this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And you go to your project. So Visual Studio project. So all these things you should do it. Okay. Go to your project. You have to give the same server name. Okay. Let it open. You go to your project and make sure that you have given the proper server name. Go to properties, go to deployment, remove the dot and give the proper server name. Copy and paste it. You do this. Okay. Now click
Yeah,
on OK. Yeah.
yeah.
Click on
My, my server name is correct.
yeah. You just give it once again. Click on
Okay.
OK and connect and ensure the server is running. See now we have SQL Server, right? You can also go to connect and you will be able to see analysis services here. Okay, so this is where you can give the server name once again and you can click on connect. You should be able to get one more window. So this is a multi-dimensional database that I have created yesterday. Clear? You should be able to open this window. That means you have this is RDBMS. This is your multi-dimensional cube. This is the multi-dimensional cube, and this is the cube which we have created yesterday. Okay, so you check, you can disconnect, and you should be able to connect like this. Give the server name and click on connect. Are you able to connect? Check this also. So all these are troubleshooting steps. You should do it. Okay, you should be able to go click on connect. So we are going to connect what? Analysis services. Click on this. Give your server name, click on connect. So you should be able to connect, and you could have blank databases because you did not create a cube, right? So you process the cube. So right click now, you build and begin the process and let me know what is the error you're getting it. Okay, show me your screen once again. Korean.
Okay, just
So all these steps you should perform, okay?
yeah. So now this is my server
Copy this
name.
and click on connect, analysis services. Yeah, paste it. Connect. See now it's not is running. See now? Connection cannot be made to this server. So it is not installed in this. You give dot there. Okay, you click on okay, you give dot there. Dot, yeah.
Okay.
Click on connect. Now it's not installed. Okay. So you need to install it this once again. You go to
And
services.
yeah,
Is it running or not there? Just go to services.
just a sec.
Do you have any other instances? Yeah. Double
This
click
my
on this. Yeah.
services.
Stop and start once again. Go to start. Okay, click on okay. The bottom you have one more thing. Stop and yeah, that one also. So it is MSSQL server 1, the server name. So see, service name, display name. Okay, click on that and open the previous one. Oh, wait, open the previous service. Click on that. What is that? It is telling me service name is the okay. You copy that service name into notepad or somewhere. Yeah, copy that. Copy that and go to SQL Server. Give this name there. Let us check.
Okay.
Go to SQL Server. Yeah, give that name there in the server name. Yeah. Copy and paste instead of a dot. Yeah. Let us see what happens. Yeah, execute this. Now you give the only the last one. Click on OK. You remove the dollar symbol and other stuff. You remove it. Yeah. Execute. Click on connect now. Do you have any other service name? No. Click on OK. So something is not running properly. Okay. Cancel this. What is it? Microsoft analysis additional services not running. What is that? You cancel this and you see, cancel this. You connect. I think you need to reinstall once again. You connect and database engine first one, and you click on the triangle button there. Server name triangle button is there, right? Yeah, you click on that. This is the server name you're using, right?
Yeah.
Is there any other thing? Just go click on the triangle button. Browse for more. Wait. Now open that. Yeah, you have one more thing below, right? You copy that. Yeah. Okay. You click on OK. You copy this server name. Wait. Yeah, you copy this server name. Copy this. Cancel this. Now you click on connect analysis services. Yeah, you give that there. Click on connect. See, this is a server name you need to give there. Clear? We have installed elsewhere. Now you go to your SSAS. Yeah, the server name you need to change it. Go to properties. Yeah, the server name is not that one. So this is the one. Okay. Now click on OK. Now you rebuild and deploy.
Perfect.
Yeah, process it. So this is how you should know how to check services and everything. Yeah. Maximize the window, click on run. Yeah. Very good. Yeah, you're getting login issues, right? So the logins we need to add. Okay, you copy that login name. Yeah. Copy that login name. Only copy, right click and copy it. Go to Notepad and paste it. Yeah. Close this window. You open Notepad. Correct. Guys, any other questions? Without quotations, yeah. Copy this login name. This login is not there in SQL Server, right? So that is the problem. Go to SQL Server. Yeah, below databases, you will have a security. Yeah, open logins. Yeah, new login, correct. Right click new login and click on the search, paste it. Yeah, paste it and check names and click on OK. And go to server roles. Wait. Go to server roles, left panel, server roles. This is very important step. You need to give sysadmin. Is the administrator in this server. Yeah, click on this. Yeah, this is very important step. Yeah. Now you reprocess the cube. Rebuild and reprocess. Okay. So guys, you complete the cube, and if you get any kind of issues, you troubleshoot like this and make sure that you have created everything. So Monday we'll continue further on MDX queries. Okay. So you process this. Right. Click on run.
Perfect.
So very good, guys. We'll continue further. Okay. So thank you guys.
Thank you.
Bye.